Hey guys, it's raining, like, you can see the water dripping. I'm sure y'all can hear it. Oh, there's my kitty cat. There's Mittens. And then there's Ruby, my dog. And then I have another dog in my house. Ruby, aren't you just a kangaroo? Oh. Get her up. Get her. Hey, Ruby. She's kangaroo fighting me. Okay, I'm gonna do a little vlog of me walking her over to my grandma's and doodling around. I'm getting water all over my phone, but who cares? It has a screen protector on it. Come on. Oh, you just ran out. Looks like you wanted freedom. She's my dog, but she stays at my Mimi's. Just like Shadow and Maggie do. Over there, I just have to walk. Look at her. Oh, she already ran past. Didn't get a good glimpse. Ruby! Hey, girl! Oh, there she is. See that little ball? Come on. I'm gonna beat you. Crap, she's winning. If you want to know how she's so fast, and if you want to know where to get one, look on Google Mexican Chihuahua breeders or Red Reindeer Chihuahua breeders. She is a Red Reindeer Chihuahua, which is technically, I think it is technically a Mexican Chihuahua. My grandma is not home. Great. But she's not an inside dog. The only inside dog we have is Scooby. Ruby, Maggie, and Shadow. And all the cats are outside dogs. Kitty. There we go. Say hi. There you go. Oh, say hi. Well, aren't you just a lump of bump? Oh, maybe they are home. Shadows! This is our house. Okay, bye. I'm leaving.